Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix laptop battery draining too fast on your Windows 11 laptops. So at first, what you have to do is just search Windows settings and open up it from the best match. Then from here, just search troubleshoot and it's gonna go to the troubleshoot settings. Just select that. From here, go to other troubleshooters and scroll down a bit. Under other troubleshooters, you'll find a power troubleshooter. Just click on run for that. And it will run the power troubleshooter, diagnose your problem, and fix it for you. And after doing that, what you can do is just close this. Then just go to your taskbar, right click on it, and then just click on Task Manager. After that, just expand this section. Click on the hamburger menu, open the navigation, and click on Processes. From here, every single software that is using too much resources that you don't need, just right click on it and click on End Task. Do it for all the software over here that you don't really need. And after that, another thing you can do is just go to Startup Apps, and from here, there's going to be a huge amount of startup apps that you don't use, but still opens up when you turn on your computer. Just right click on them and click on Disable. Do this for all of them, especially the ones that you don't need to be started on startup. And after that, just close this. And after that, just go to your search and type settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Then after that, just go to system. From system, just go to power. From power, make sure to set the brightness to a lower level. And make sure to turn on the energy saver from here as well. Also, from here, make sure to set the power mode to best power efficiency as well. And go to the screen sleep and hibernation timeout. And make sure all of this not set to never. Make sure it's set to the recommended one. Set everything to the recommended one from here. Don't set it to never. And after you have done that, just close it. Then just go to your control panel. And from control panel, just make sure your icons are set by large. Then from here, just go to the power options. Then from the power options, make sure power saver is selected. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to fix laptop draining too fast on your Windows 11 laptops. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.